For your consideration, this is just about meant Yamaha YP211 belt drive turntable. The original cover has no cracks, it's in excellent condition, and only has a few very faint light marks to note. Other than that, it's absolutely perfect. Bright work is superb. Does have a few light marks on the tone arm. Replacement anti-skate string and weight have been added. Original was lost to time. Internally cleaned, lubed, adjusted, brand new platter belt. Genuine original 45 adapters included. This has a metal head shell. It has the azimuth adjustment, Audio-Technica cartridge, new aftermarket stylus, and what's nice most of all, original box and packaging. Even still has the original Yamaha warranty card on the side of the box. These are great sounding warm tables. We have your auto on to the record. Through the play selection, we have a smooth descent down. Cue has been redamped. Both speeds are accurate and steady, dead on. Manual cue is operational, along with a smooth descent. Through the reject selection, full and complete auto return, rest, and system down. So you can engage through play, or you can manually cue up and hit play, and then you're ready to cue down. That's the design of this model, as shown. And at the end of the record, full and complete auto return, rest and system down. It's a beautiful setup. Thanks for considering.